Okay, so now the question is, excess prove that sine 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equal to tan a by 2. We have to prove this thing. Okay, so here we took left hand side. The left hand side is nothing but sine 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a. Okay, here we know the formula. The multiple single formula is nothing but cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and second formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, now here the sub multiple single formula is sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. These are the formula. Now we are going to use this formula here, and we are going to get 10 a by 2. Okay, 10 a by 2, 10 a by 2, right? So oh, okay, 10 a by 2. Now I know the formula of sin 2a. Sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a and 1 minus cos 2a. See here, from here I can find 1 minus cos 2a. So 1 minus cos 2a is nothing but 2 sin square a. So here I wrote 2 sin square a, and 1 minus cos 2a is nothing but 2 sin square a by 2. Now cos a will be 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Okay, now these two will get cancelled, sin and sin will get cancelled. So here I will have cos a by sin a into here uh, 2 sin square a by 2, 2 cos square. So here I have a sin square a by 2 and just multiply 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Okay, now here we have 2 sin square a by 2 cos a, and here we have sin a into 2 cos square a by 2. Just multiply sin a with here, so you will get 2 sin square a by 2 cos a, and here you have just see here I have a sin a here, so I can write 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 into 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. From here I can cancel this and cancel this. So here I will have sin a by 2 into cos a, and here I will have cos a by 2 into 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, and this is nothing but see sin a by 2 and cos a by 2. See, I can write cos a, and here this is nothing but cos a. Okay, cos a, so cos a will get cancelled. So here I will have tan a by 2, that is nothing but right hand side, that is nothing but right hand side. Okay, I'm going to explain once again. You see here, uh, I know sin 2a formula, so I just put the values 2 sin a cos a, and 1 minus cos 2a is nothing but 2 sin square a, and 1 minus cos a is nothing but 2 sin square a by 2, and you can put cos a as a common. No need to change, no need to change cos a. Okay, so here this will be cos a, cos a, and no need to change cos a. Okay, so cos a will get cancelled here, so no need to write these things. So here cos a will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, sin A will get cancelled, and here I will have sin A by 2 cos A by 2. This is nothing but tan A by 2, that is right hand side. Okay, right hand side. Now just see here, this is quite a similar problem that previous one. Just see here, you have sin 2x by sec x plus 1 into sec 2x by sec 2x plus 1 is equal to tan x by 2. You have to prove. Okay, now just see here solution. So in left hand side, the given left hand side, that is sin 2x sec x plus 1 into sec 2x and sec 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the given in left hand side, so we have to prove. Okay, I know the formula of, so here we need tan x by 2. Just keep in mind, we need tan x by 2. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to make a form where ratio should be sine by cos. Okay, ratio should be sine by cos. Okay, now let's see here, I know the formula of sine 2x, that is nothing but 2 sine x cos x, and I know the reciprocal of sec x, that is nothing but cos x plus 1 into, and reciprocal of sec is nothing but 1 by cos 2x. Reciprocal of cos x is nothing but cos 2x, sorry, cos 2x plus 1. Okay, now see here, 2 sine x cos x. Here I will have 1 plus cos x by cos x into 1 by cos 2x and 1 plus cos 2x by cos 2x. This cos 2x will get cancelled, and cos 2x will get cancelled. Now it will go up, then it will be 2 sine x cos square x, and here 1 plus cos x into, and here I will have 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, so this is quite 2 sine x cos square x, and here 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x into x by 2, and here it will be 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x. Okay, this cos square will get cancelled, and 2 will get cancelled. So here I will have sin x by cos square x by 2, cos square x by 2. Okay, then I know the sin x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x by 2, and here I have 2 cos square x by 2. Then 2 will get cancelled, cos x by 2 will get cancelled. So here I will have tan x by 2. Okay, this is nothing but right hand side. Yeah, you may take a screenshot now. Have you understood, boys, this question? Okay. Sheikh Shayan, Sayyid Ishaq, have you understood this question? Okay, now we are going to see the next question. The next question is third question. The third question is cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3. So here again we have to prove. Okay, just see, we are going to use only multiple angle and sub multiple angle formula. Okay, so here solution will be in left hand side cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta cos, see this is cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3. Okay, this is given in left hand side. We have to prove this quantity is nothing but 3. Okay, now I know the formula of sin 3 theta sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. Okay, so cos cube theta minus, I know the formula of cos 3 theta, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay, by cos theta, then plus, I know the formula of sin cube theta plus, I know the formula of sin 3 theta, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, that is sin theta. Right, now just open the all the brackets. So here I will have cos theta minus 4 cos theta. So here I will have minus 3 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta plus, from here minus, so I will have 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta by sin theta. Now just I'm going to take cos common from here, 3 cos. Okay, so I am taking 3 cos common, 3 cos theta, then here I will have 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta, and here 3 sin theta, then 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, then sin theta, then cos will get cancelled, sin will get cancelled. So here I'm going to take again 3 as a common. So here I'm going to take 3 as a common. So here I will have 1 minus cos square theta plus 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now 3 as it is. So 1 plus 1 2, and minus sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta cos square theta. Now 3 as it is 2. I know the sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. Okay, now 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, and 3 into 1 is nothing but 3. That is right hand side. That is right hand side. Just take a note or take a screenshot. Now we are moving on. Question number 4. Question number 4. That is show that. पहले तो हमें क्या करना है? शो करना है. That is cos A is equal to cos 3A by 2 cos 2A minus 1. ओके, पहले तो हमें ये शो करना है ये इक्वल है एंड फाइंड cos 15 डिग्री फाइंड करना है. ओके, now boys, if you get any difficulties then send your doubt in chat. I will try to solve. Okay, if your doubt is not coming then I will be understanding that you don't have any problem. So just see here solution. So first of all, here we have left hand side and right hand side. In left hand side the value is small and in right hand side the value is bigger than here. So now what we are going to do, we have to prove or we have to show that these two quantities are equal. So it's easy to us to take the bigger one value to reduce that value to small till small one. Okay, now here I'm going to take right hand side, that is nothing but cos 3A to cos 2A minus 1. This is right hand side. Okay, now we have to prove this is right hand side is nothing but left hand side is equal to left hand side. Okay, I know the formula of cos 3A. Okay, cos 3A, that is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, and 2 cos 2A minus 1. Now just take cos A from here common, so you will get cos A, you will get 4 cos square A minus 3. Okay, now you know cos 2A, the formula of cos 2A, can anybody tell me cos 2A? 2 cos square. See here, cos 2A is nothing but 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, then if I am multiplying 2 with 2 cos 2A, then I will get 4 cos square A minus 2. Okay, now I know that 2 cos 2A is nothing but 4 cos square A minus 2. So here I am going to write 2 cos 2A is equal to 4 cos square A minus 2. Okay, so 2 cos 2A minus 1. Now cos A 4 cos square A 3, and here I am going to write 4 cos square A minus 2, and here we had minus 1. So cos A 4 cos square A minus 3, and here we have 4 cos square A minus 3. Okay, these will get cancelled, so here we will have cos A. So cos A is nothing but that is cos 3A and 2 cos 2A minus 1. Okay, now we have to find cos 15 we have to find. Cos 15. Now just see here, see if I am taking cos 15, I'm taking a is equal to, a is nothing but 15. So here I have to put 15 on the place of a, where a is present. So cos 3 into 15 and 2 cos 2 into 15 minus 1. Okay. Now cos 15 3 is a 45. So here I will have cos 45 and 2 15 to the 30. So cos 30 minus 1. I know cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 and cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 minus 1. And these 2 will get cancelled. So here I will have 1 by root 2 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, now here I have to simplify more. So what can I do? I can multiply with root 3 plus 1 multiplied and divide. I did root 3 plus 1. What I did, I just multiplied and divide with root 3 plus 1. Okay, now here these two term will be multiplied. So here I will have root 3 plus 1 and root 2. Now this term will be root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay. So here I will have root 3 plus 1 and root 2, and this is nothing but 3 minus 1, that is root 3 plus 1 then root 2. Okay, so this is the answer of cos 15. Okay, boys, once again I am telling you, if you are getting any difficulties or any doubt, then you can ask me at any time. Okay, now question number 2 is similar, so that will be homework. So question number 2, that is sine a. Okay, you have to find sine a, that will be homework. Question number 2, that is sine 3a 1 plus 2 cos 2a is equal to sine a, and you have to find sine 15. That homework is, that problem is going to be a homework. Okay, now we are going to see the third question. Okay, now the third question is, prove that tan alpha is equal to sine 2 alpha and 1 plus cos 2 alpha, 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Okay, we have to prove, and then we have to find tan 15 and tan 20 22 half. First off, we have to find tan 15 and tan 20 half. Okay, first here we have to do three things. First of all, we have to show that these quantities are equal, then we have to find tan 15, then we have to find tan 20 half. Okay, now just see here, focus here on the right hand side. On right hand side, sine 2 alpha 1 plus cos 2 alpha is given. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is given. I know the formula of sin 2 alpha, that is nothing but 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. Cos alpha, and 1 plus cos 2 alpha is nothing but 2 cos square alpha. 2 cos square alpha. Then 2 will get cancelled. Cos alpha will get cancelled. So here I will have sin alpha by cos alpha, that is nothing but tan alpha. Okay, so here we prove that tan alpha is nothing but sin 2 alpha sin 2 alpha 1 plus cos 2 alpha. To put 15 on the place of alpha, 15, then 1 plus cos 2 into 15. Okay, now 15 to the 30, so here I will have sin 30 and 1 plus 15 to the 30, so cos 30. Okay, I know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, and here cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So here I will have 1 by 2 and then 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. So this I can write this as 2 by, these two will get cancelled. So here I will have 1 by 2 by root 3. Okay, now what I can simplify this as I have to multiply 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So here I will have 2 minus root 3 by, that will be 4, and that will be minus 3. So root 3 minus 3 by 1, that is nothing but 2 by root 3. Okay, so this is the answer of 10, 15. Now we have to find 10, 20 half. Okay, so 10, 20 half is homework. So you have to put only sine 2 into 20 half. 20 half, then 1 plus cos 2 into 20 half. Then 20 half will be 20 half into 2, that will be 45. So sin 45, and here cos 45. Cos 45. Sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 and 1 plus 1 by root 2. Okay, then you will have 1 by root 2 and root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So these will cancel. So here you will have 10, 22 half is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus root 2. Then it can be root 2 minus 1. Okay, now we are going to see the next question, that is prove that. Question number 5. Question number 5. 5 is nothing but prove that. Prove that. First question is 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 is equal to 4. This we have to prove. Okay. Now, so solution, just taking left hand side. Left hand side is nothing but 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10. Okay, just multiply in a cross way. Just do my cross multiplication here. So you will have cos 10a root 3 into sin 10 and sin 10 into cos 10. Okay, just do some adjustment here. So here I'm going to multiply it and divide with 2, then cos 10 root 3 by sin 10 and here also 2 by cos 10. Okay, now here 1 by 2 will multiply this cos 10 and 1 by 2 multiply will here 2 sin 10 and then here 1 by 2 will be outside and 2 will be inside. Sin 10. Okay, now 1 by 2 can I write 1 by 2 is equal to sin 30? So if I am writing sin 30 1 by 2 and cos 10 same, and here see root 3 by 2 is nothing but cos 30 and sin 10 as it is. Okay, now 2 sin 10 a cos 10, then that is nothing but sin 2 into 10, 2 into 10. Okay, now sin, I know the formula of sin a plus sin a minus cos a. So here I will have sin a minus b 10, 30 minus 10, and here I will have sin 20, 10 to the 20, so sin 20 and sin 30 minus 10, that will be sin 20. So this will get cancelled and here 2 will multiply with 2, then I will have